Hello friends, Namaste. After a long time, we are again going to start to discuss on prelim exam question paper. I have checked your answer sheets. Most of the students have responded very well. Some some students did some silly mistakes, and that's why we are going to conduct this discussion. I hope if you listen to carefully, so you will be able to avoid such silly mistakes in the actual board exam. So I hope it will be helpful for you. Let us start from question wise. Question number 1, section 1, language study. You know it is for 10 marks, 8 plus 2 marks. So question 1a, do as directed. Any four. So 6 sub questions are given here. A1 was complete the following words by using correct letters. It was easy. The missing letter was R. The word is storm. Second is habit. The missing letter was I. Number 3 was break. Missing letter was R. Number 4, money. Missing letter was E. So storm, habit, break and money. So total 2 marks. Then A2. Put the following words in alphabetical order. Number 1. The question is think, discuss, mark and sheet. So the answers, I am writing the answer direct because you have the question paper with you. You can just check. The answer is discuss, then mark, then sheet and last is think. You know very well, since standard 5th you have been practicing this activity, so you have to consider the first first letter of each word alphabetically, A to Z, D, then M, then S and then T. So discuss, mark, sheet and think. Second one, the words were rain, rail, rate and raise. So all the 4 words having initial letter R. Then in second letter A, all words have R and A. Then you have to proceed for third word. In third word, again 3 words have letter I. So R, A, I. And then letter number 4 is decisive. So L comes first, then N, then S, and then fourth word RAT. So answer RAIL rail, then RAIN rain, then RAISE raise, and last one RATE rate. So these are the answers, each for 1 mark, total marks 2. Rail, rain, raise and rate. So both the activities are easier and you can score out of marks in it. Most of the students have already scored. Some students have lost their mark here. A2, second in A2. So be careful regarding the second activity. It is a little bit challenging because initial letters are same, and so you have to proceed for the second or third or fourth word, and then you have to decide the sequence from A to Z order. Now A3. Activity number A3, punctuate the following. The question is that so, Mrs. Srivastav? And it was without any punctuation given in the activity sheet. The answer is into double quotes I capital. Is that so? Question mark, quote close, said M capital Mrs. Srivastav. S capital and full stop. So see, punctuation marks into quotation marks, I capital, question mark, quote close, M capital, S capital and full stop. So if you read the course book properly, you will come to know which punctuation mark is to be used appropriately. Now let's proceed for number 2. The given activity was this. She said, let's chat, and without any punctuation mark. So the answer is like this. S capital, she said, comma, into double quotation marks, L capital, apostrophe S, chat, full stop, quote close. So this is the answer. She said, let's chat, S capital, number 1, comma, number 2, into quotes, number 3, apostrophe, L capital, number 4, apostrophe number 5, full stop and quote close, 6, 7. All these are very important. So this activity is little bit challenging because you need to read the book very carefully, considering punctuation marks. A4. Now this was interesting. Make 4 words, minimum 3 letters each, using the letter in the word customary. So the given word was customary, CUSTOMARY. And the words, possible words, and I am writing the answer. So storm. I write the word here. Customary. So STORM, storm. See the possible words. Number 2, COST, cost. COAST, coast. Then MAT, mat. Then ROAM, Rome. Some more answers. CART, cart. SORT, sort. AUTO, auto. And CUSTOM, custom. So these are the possible words. Most of the students have scored the mark here. So this was up to A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now let's proceed for A5. Write the related words as shown in the example. I draw here. The center word is right and the related word given is book, and you were asked to write 4 words the same way. So the example word is book. Write a book. So write a draft. Write a poem. You can say write an article. Write a story. There can be some more possible answers. Write an email. Then a letter. Homework. Answers, etc. Assignment. So all the possible answers can be given full score or full credit. Now A6. Complete the word chain of adjectives. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous word, and the given word was slow. This was the chain of adjectives asked in the activity sheet. So slow, SLOW, the given word. One, two. Three and 4. So slow. The last word is W, will be the initial word of the next word, and remember this must be only adjective. So wonderful. Then light as an adjective, opposite to heavy. L, so L will be the initial word of the next word, next adjective. So light. Then T, terrible. And E, easy. But see, this is not the fixed answer. The answer may vary from student to student. Some may write in this way: slow. Last word is W. Last letter of the last not word, letter of the first word is W. So someone may begin like this: WEAK, weak. So the next word differs. Now last letter of the next word is K. So maybe knowledgeable. Knowledgeable. It ends with E. So the next word begins with E. It may be easy here at fourth number, and last again Y. So young. Someone may write differently: weighty, having a lot of weight, adjective. Then so the second word ends with Y, so third word begins with Y, young. The next third word ends with G, so number 4, word number 4 begins with G, great. And last word begins with T, tolerant. So in this way, the answer may vary, differ from student to student. So it's a personal response, a kind of personal response. But remember, all the words should be in the category given in the instruction. Here in this activity sheet, the category was adjective. The given word is adjective. So in this chain, all the words should be adjectives, following the instruction. What is the rule in the instruction? The next word should begin with the last letter initially in the next word. So in this way, this activity also gives you full credit if you do it properly without any mistake. So A5 and A6 has been completed. Now B part. Remember, we have discussed A1 to A6, and you are asked to solve any 4. If you write 4 accurately, then no problem. If you have any doubt in case of any solved activity, then you should go with optional activity. So that will help you to keep your credit out of. म्हणजे काय, जर सोडवलेल्या 4 ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये तुम्हाला एखाद्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीतल्या उत्तराबद्दल तुमची साशंकता असेल, तर तुम्ही एखादा अतिरिक्त उत्तर सोडवायला पाहिजे, जेणेकरून तुमचे गुण कमी होणार नाही, 8 पैकी 8 मिळतील. अँड नाउ क्वेश्चन 1 बी. डू एज डायरेक्टेड. Number 1, attempt anyone. A. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase "in search of." So the phrase is "in search of." This is the phrase, and you are asked to use it in your own sentence. So again, this is personal response. Now I write my answer. For your understanding, most of you have already solved it accurately, but the answer again vary from student to student. Now I am giving remember, the answer is not fixed. Again I am telling you, it depends on the student how he or she uses the phrase in appropriate context without any grammar mistake, and it must be comprehensive. So he is in search of newly invented machines. newly invented machines. Underline in search of. Someone may write in this way. The police are in search of the thieves. So there can be different answers, but the appropriate use in context, meaningful or comprehensive, and without any grammar mistake, that is expected. So this is for 1 mark. It has option, it has alternative, or B. You are asked to attempt anyone out of these two, A or B. So what is or? Add a clause to expand the sentence meaningfully. So the incomplete sentence, one clause is given. I write here, I saw a lovely girl. I saw a lovely girl, and you have to complete the sentence, means expand the sentence meaningfully, adding a clause, not a phrase. Remember, here some students have failed. They have failed to apply the clause because they have some confusion between clause and phrase. Most of the students have used phrase here. So you are asked to expand the sentence adding a clause, not a phrase. So remember this, you need a lot of practice here. I saw a lovely girl who was with silken hair. This is my response. So this is the clause, who was with silken hair. This is subordinate clause, and it describes the noun girl in main clause. So it is considered as adjective clause. Not necessary to write all these explanations. Only you have to add the clause meaningfully. That is enough. So either A or B gives you full credit of 1 mark. So 8 plus 1, 9. And now in B part, last activity. Again attempt anyone. Number 2. A. Add a suffix or a prefix to make the new words. The given word is use, and one more word, possible. So see, use, someone may use suffix, so it can be useful. Someone may use prefix, so reuse. Then possible, someone may use prefix, so it can be impossible. Someone may use suffix, possibly. Or someone may say possibility. So this is suffix, this is prefix. Again here prefix in the second word, here suffix, and again here suffix. So any one here and any one here gives you full credit of 1 mark. Again it has alternative. What is it? I read in the instruction of the activity sheet. Sorry. Make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words, and the same words are given. Use, and second one, possible. Any one of these two words is to be used in your own sentence. So my personal response, again here the response may vary from student to student. It's a personal response. Now, so my response, number 1, I refer or I use English dictionary needfully. म्हणजे गरज पडेल तेव्हा, जेव्हा मला गरज पडते तेव्हा मी इंग्रजी डिक्शनरीचा वापर, शब्दकोशाचा वापर करतो किंवा संदर्भ तपासून बघतो. सेकंड, पॉसिबल everything is possible if you have positive thinking. So here the use of the word possible, and here the use of the word, sorry, I use, not refer, English dictionary. So the word use. So anyone, not to, anyone is to be used in your own sentence in proper context, comprehensively, without any grammar mistake. So you can get full credit. So either to use suffix and prefix or to use the given word in your own sentence give you full credit, 1 mark. So question number 1A 8 marks and question number 1B 2 marks, total 10 marks. So this was language study in our preliminary exam activity sheet. Thank you.